Hey everybody, the theme of today's video is interesting moments. And I'll share one that I had while watching somebody use the prototype you see before you. I'm going to be focusing on this message panel that pops up in my interface to tell the user about a feature available. You'll see version 1 and version 2 here, with little differences that made a big impact. This is just a small part of a portfolio piece I'm working on, and it's an AI-driven workflow automating tool that basically will open windows that you ask for with context you ask for through prompts. And along with that come up these nice summary panels based on what you've said. And this is a state where essentially the user has finished the task that they were looking for, and now they can get to work. So what I thought would be a very good feature is if once that's done, I put up a message that says to the user, hey, you want to get rid of these little summary panels that I gave you as helpers? Just all you have to do is scrub the mouse to hide them. Now, you do that, and great. Now, I think that's a great feature and makes this product just a little bit better, faster, and easier to use. One problem. I was watching a user on the prototype, and they came to this. What did they do? They started clicking the arrows. I was like, wow, okay. That's not the message I wanted to give. Why? Now I understand. This very much matches a carousel, and they naturally started clicking on the arrows. So in an interface, the interesting moments of the design are the tiny little handshakes between interactions, and along with the message and the information put in. Now, here, I gave sort of a false affordance that I think I'm saying, hey, move the mouse back and forth, but really before they read, by the way, nobody reads anything, they saw these clues and started clicking. So they clicked, then read. Now they got to it eventually, great, but I can do better. So here's what I did after seeing that. So this was the original idea. I literally put this together, first thing that came to my mind, and on that observation, I realized it needed more thought. So this is the change I made. Same message, but I made a much better nonverbal visual indicator of what to do to get the effect that the feature is looking for. So now, when you see that, you'll see same feature, same action, better message, better interesting moment. So this is why it's so important to do research, because you can have a great product and a great experience that is just in some way diminished or even blocked by a tiny little interesting moment where the design isn't quite right. I think I'll go into this in another video of how important research and conversation is in working out your designs. Remember, the first principle of the 5 rings design method is design is a conversation. So look for part 2 and more about this project on the channel. And yeah, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and take care. I realize there's an important point to make here that should this happen to you, like it happened to me, that does not make you a bad designer. That makes you a lucky designer. These are the things that are inevitable. Be happy when you find these issues through research, not through releases. And I was delighted. It reminds me that no matter how much experience I have, me and every other human being cannot pin down how humanity will respond to the little interesting moments, the countless ones that are in our designs. So I'm happy to share this with you, because this is where we as designers find the weak spots in our designs and fix them. So seek them out. Be happy when they come to you. That's the bonus part. Oh, there you go. Gotta go.